Oh wait, you get to spray each other? Oh, this is gonna be great. How about that 150 right there? You think you could just rake that one over the edge? Hello everyone, we are at the track here in Destin and we're about to take on the Woody. Hey Bailey, you ready? We're gonna go fast? A little fast or a lot fast? You don't know yet? All right, here comes the hill. Woo! And here we go, we're almost done with the lap. What you think, Bailey? You liked it? So we're gonna be doing the bumper boats. The GoPro, this is why it helps to have a GoPro. So the GoPro can get wet and it looks like we can all drive. Oh wait, you get to spray each other? Oh, this is gonna be great.
You're gonna wanna keep that.
Yeah.
In your giant pocket.
Yes, this should be good, wholesome family fun right here.
Oh no.
We're gonna get in boats with motors.
I can drive myself, look.
Yep. So Bailey's gonna have a boat, Elise is gonna have a boat, I'm gonna have a boat, and we're all just gonna have a good time. Bailey, I can see it in your eyes.
Yeah.
I can see it in your eyes.
Look, me and you want to have a good time, but she's gonna ruin it.
Do not attack me.
Do not attack.
Do not form an alliance. Do not form an alliance and attack me. The reality is sitting in. We have a full house here on the bumper boats. All right, so we're gonna have to come up with like a one-handed technique here since I'm filming. Oh, this is not exactly going, yep, I'm already in the wrong direction. Ah, the squirter's working. Oh, it's on now. It's on. I've got the one-handed technique down. It's gonna come down to driving skills, and I think I've got this one owned. Oh, I see a target. Woo! Yes, indeed. Oh no! There we go. It's shooting over her. I'm too close. She's so short. That's not fair. What's going on behind me here? What is this? They are shooting. I'm having to duck so they'll stay over me. Don't cross the streams. Don't cross the streams, Ray. Don't cross the streams. My goodness, whose idea was this? This is a terrible idea. Ah! Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I just want to be free. Woo! I am drenched. I'm officially drenched. Like, drenched. Here's my one-hand squirt technique. Going in for the kill. There we go. In for the kill. I'm just gonna sit here and spin in a circle and just see what I can get. This is all I'm doing. I have no idea how much this cost me, but I assure you, I am getting the worst of all of this. I'm just gonna sit here and spin. Spin and spray.
I've got half.
Spinning and spraying.
I've got half.
Oh wait, we gotta bring the boats in. And that's it. A 3-hour tour. A 3-hour tour. All right, that was bumper boats.
I did not get it sold.
Oh, that's everybody teamed up on me. That's not fair. That is not fair. Not fair. So we're gonna try and do the arcade now. It's gonna be like I'm soaking wet. I'm not sure how this arcade run is gonna go. I blame them. It's your fault. And your fault too. I know you teamed up on me. So we've come inside to the arcade and obviously it's freezing. I'm gonna try my hand at quick drop. Very last ball.
I thought you had it.
And the very last one.
50 tickets. Not good.
Got it.
Yes!
Got it. Woo! Right in the nick of time. Yay! Jackpot dance. Jackpot dance. Jackpot dance. Oh wow, that's some sweet moves you got there. How about that 150 right there? You think you could just rake that one over the edge? I'm talking about the one that's leaning up on the edge. Yeah, that one. You think you can just get it and it'll just grab it and fling it over? Or two of them?
One of them's a 600.
Are you kidding me? Did that just happen? Holy cow. Hold them up, girl. That's fantastic. Now that's one heck of a start right there. All right, Elise. There's 1,000 tickets on the edge. There you go. Here she goes. Ooh, okay, that's one try. Okay, whatever that is. 150. All right, we'll go to this side while it's counting up. So she got 150. What? That just happened. That was weird.
Wait, I still got playing.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I did it too late.
Oh, that's okay.
I got another 150 first.
I know. All right, you still got to play in it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, there it is.
Oh! Yo! That's as close as you can get without actually winning. I mean, it actually came into the win spot.
Oh, I missed it.
It actually came into the win spot and then went out.
It's like almost halfway in there.
Yep. There we go. That did it. Great job. All right, here's Bailey. Bailey's gonna play us some fishbowl. All right, here she goes. This is her game. She does multi-ball. All right, Bailey, you just hit 500 on your first try.
Everyone who plays Fishbowl Frenzy, when you go up to the first set of orders, and just wait for the left screen. So you see that first peg
Yep.
right there, and then there's the second one, like it goes down and then up.
Yes.
The second one, you're going to hit it, and like.
All right, well, do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
Second, four.
All right. Second try. 16. Okay, one more time.
Too late.
I thought she had multi-ball there on her second one. Whoa. Oh, she got the 70. Not bad. Great job, girl. Great job. All right. She's gonna finish this out. She's gonna take us home with a 1,000 ticket win.
I can try at least.
Okay, I think you have 2 more plays after this.
Okay, there it is.
Oh, late. That was late.
Dialing it in.
All right, 1 more play after this. Perfect, 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 perfect. Yes! Way to end it right there with a 1,000 ticket win. Well, I tell you what, it's been one heck of a time. We rode go-karts, we got drenched in boats, bumper cars. Yet again, fishbowl domination by Bailey. First time, she nails it. Elise gets a claw win. Dad hits some jackpots. Elise kills it on Tower of Tickets. Not bad, not bad. Say bye, Bailey. Say bye, Elise.
Bye.
Goodbye, everyone.